Hi everyone, my name is Sultan, and today I will be talking about databases, what they are and how they work, and why they are important in modern computing. Because today, almost every application depends on a database, whether it be social media, banking accounts, or even online shopping. Databases are responsible for storing and organizing all that information. So in this presentation, I'll be explaining the basics of databases, the different types of them, and what I learned while working with them. So first question is, what is a database? A database is a organized collection of data that can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Instead of storing information randomly, databases structure data in a way that makes it efficient to retrieve. So example be like, think about a school system storing student records, names, grades, and IDs. A database allows that information to be quickly searched and updated without any confusion. And the many types of databases. There are several types. The main two are both relational and no SQL databases. Relational databases store data in tables with rows and columns, while no SQL databases are more flexible and are used for unstructured or large scale data. There are also cloud databases and distributed databases, which are designed for scalability and performance across multiple systems. So, first, we're going to go into relational databases. And these are also the most common type of databases. They organize data into tables where each row represents a record and each column represents a field. These databases use structured query language, which is also SQL for short. And these are widely used in enterprise environments because they are reliable and structured. And with no SQL databases, they are designed to handle unstructured or semi structured data. Unlike relational databases, they don't rely on fixed tables. Instead, they can store data as documents, key value pairs, or graphs. This also makes them ideal for applications like social media or big data systems where flexibility is important. Examples like MongoDB and Cassandra. Then, with database management systems, or DBMS, it is a software used to interact with a database and allows users to create, read, update, and delete data. Examples of this would be PostgreSQL or MySQL or Oracle. The DBMS also handles security, backups, and performance optimization. And some key concepts to understand them when working with databases. So tables store data in rows. In rows represent uh, individual records, and the columns define the type of data. And primary keys uniquely identify each record, while foreign keys link tables together. Indexes are used to speed up data retrieval. And so, into basics of SQL, or structured query language, is used to interact with relational databases. So, common commands include select to retrieve data, insert to add data, update to modify it, data, and delete to remove data. SQL is also essential for working with relational databases and is widely used in industry. So, database security, and security obviously is a huge part for database management. And databases must use authentication to control who can access data. Encryption also helps protect sensitive information. And then regular updates are also important to prevent any to prevent any vulnerabilities. And if a database is not securely secured properly, it can lead to many serious data breaches. So any real world examples would be like banks, uh, where where databases are used to manage transactions and customer accounts. There's also e-commerce sites that store product listing and customer orders. Hospitals manage patient recordings and while using their databases, and even social media itself. Social media platforms rely heavily on databases to store user data and interactions. So, what I have learned through databases from this topic, that they are very essential for organizing and managing data efficiently. And and I also learned that different types of databases are used depending on the situation. And mainly, I learned that security is just as important as functionality when working with all databases. So, finishing up here, databases, they play a crucial role in modern technology, and they allow systems to store, organize, and retrieve data efficiently. And choosing the correct database and securing properly is important for any organization. So, with that, I say thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today, and I will see you guys later. Peace out.